Okay, so you blocked someone. No judgment. Maybe it was a persistent spammer, an argument that got a little heated, or you just needed a break. We've all been there. But things change, and now you want to open those lines of communication again. The good news is that unblocking someone is super simple on both iPhone and Android. You just need to know where to look. Let's get right into it.
If you're using an iPhone, Apple keeps all your blocked contacts in one central list. This is great because when you unblock a number from texting, you're also unblocking them from calls and FaceTime. The easiest way to do this is through your Settings app. This is the best method if you've deleted the message thread or just want to see everyone you've blocked. First, open the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon. From there, scroll down and tap on Phone. You can also get to the same list through Messages. Inside either of those menus, tap on Blocked Contacts. This screen shows every phone number and email you've ever blocked. To unblock someone, just find their name or number in the list and swipe left. A red Unblock button will appear. Tap it, and they're immediately off the list. If you want to unblock a bunch of people at once, you can tap Edit in the top right corner. A red minus circle will show up next to each contact. Tap the circle next to a name, then tap the Unblock button that appears. When you're finished, hit Done. There's another way that's even faster if you still have the conversation in your Messages app. Open Messages and find the conversation with the person you blocked. Tap to open it. At the top of the screen, tap on their name, then tap the Info button. Scroll to the very bottom and you'll see a blue option that says Unblock this caller. Tap it and you're done. You'll know it worked because the option will immediately change to Block this caller. And for those who use a Mac, you can manage this in the Messages app there too. Just open Messages, select the conversation with the blocked person, go to the Conversation menu at the top of your screen, and uncheck Block Person.
For Android users, the process is just as easy, but the steps can look a little different depending on who made your phone, like Google, Samsung, or another brand. Don't worry, the main idea is always the same. The most common way is through your main phone app, the one you use to make calls. Open it up and look for the three-dot menu icon, usually in the top right corner. Tap those dots and select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for an option called Block Numbers or Blocked Contacts. This screen shows your master list of blocked numbers. To unblock someone, just find their number and tap the little minus sign or X next to it. Usually, that's it. No confirmation needed. They can now call and text you again. For example, on a Google Pixel, you open the phone app, tap the three dots, go to Settings, and then Blocked Numbers. From there, you just tap the X to unblock. On a Samsung phone, the path is very similar. Open the phone app, tap the three dots, go to Settings, and then Block Numbers. You can also get to this list through your Samsung Messages app settings under Spam and Blocked. In either case, you just tap the minus icon to remove the number from the block list. So, while the buttons might have slightly different names, the path is nearly always open your phone or Messages settings, find the blocked numbers list, and remove the contact.
Alright, so you've unblocked them. You probably have a few questions about what happens now. First, will they get a giant, "You've been unblocked" notification? The answer is a simple no. Your phone doesn't send any kind of alert. They'll only know if you contact them or if they decide to try contacting you. Second, what about all the messages and calls they sent while they were blocked? Sorry, but those are gone for good. When a number is blocked, your phone basically puts up a brick wall. Any text messages they sent were never delivered to your device in the first place. Unblocking them doesn't suddenly let all those old messages flood in. Communication is only open from the moment you hit unblock. As for calls, they likely went straight to a special blocked messages folder in your voicemail, but your phone never rang. What if you blocked someone and then deleted their contact card? No problem. Your block list works separately from your contacts. The number will still be in the blocked contacts list in your settings, even without a name attached. You can go in there, find the number, unblock it, and then decide if you want to re-add them as a contact. Finally, remember that blocking someone on your phone only affects standard calls and texts, SMS or iMessage. If you also blocked this person on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, or anywhere else, you have to go into each of those apps individually to unblock them there too. And that's it. You're now the master of your block list. A moment of frustration doesn't have to be a permanent disconnect. If this guide helped you out, a quick thumbs up is always appreciated. It really helps the channel. For more no-nonsense tech tips like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.